Hello YouTube and welcome to DeMarco Reacts to Crypto. On today's video we're going to speak about how I made £240,000 on this coin. So, as you already know, this coin is not an actual coin. I just made it up. But you clicked it, right? So what does that make the video? It makes it clickbait. So this was a social experiment to see if people actually do just follow their mindset and their ego to make money and try and make money from someone on the internet. It's never going to happen, guys. You're never going to see this in your life. People lie too much on the internet, so you need to make your own assumptions and realize that you are the main priority of your future. And you need to make your own money. Don't rely on someone else, because you'll end up losing bigger than ever before. I've seen videos say a guy said he made $100,000 in one day. No, he didn't. It took 4 years or something to get to that stage. He invested in 2017 or something. So already that was bullshit, but people clicked his video and seen him make it. I can say that in January, on January the 16th, I invested £3,500, and it turned to £10,000 pretty fast, and within a month I had £22,000, and this was just only 2 months ago, or January just gone, shall I say, which is 2 months from now. So you need to, which I did, but it would drop down on the dip on the I think it was, when was it now? From February the 23rd, that was my peak at £22,500 he had, and the overall amount I invested was £6,000. So I made around £15,000. But yeah, that's good when you look at the dollars. When you look at it in dollars, which is like $30,000 off like $10,000, so that's $20,000 profit. But I'm just saying, guys, you need to not listen to people on the internet. I'm here to debunk all these YouTube channels that are talking shit to everyone and bullshitting to everyone. And just do your own thing, guys. Do your own coin. Research the coin properly. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I've just now, I made what? On my GRT, I spent £900 on GRT when it was around, I think it was 22 cent or 22p or whatever. And I made £5,000, which when it's just gone to like £1.25 or something. It did go to £2, but obviously I wasn't asked about that. I just sold it. Now, this morning I converted it, because it doesn't cost on Coinbase to convert, and that's what I usually do. I don't take out and I don't trade. I don't day trade like others, so the fees cost more. And an investor will keep the money, or keep hodling the coin and the money in the actual account. So basically I've transferred my NUCYPHER, my GRT to NUCYPHER, so now I have 31,000 coins at 43. Well, I bought some more before, so I bought 10,000, 11,000 more coins before, or this morning, on my NUCYPHER, so now I have 31,000 coins. So every 1p it goes up now, I get £310 every time. So where it used to be 20,000 coins, which is every 5p it would go up £1,000, it now goes up £1,000 every 3p. So I see a lot more fluctuations, and the price might go up. So if it goes up say it goes up to 22p now, then for me that's like what, £7,000, just by it going up to 66p or something, or 65p, which is better for me in the long run, because in GRT I only had 3,700 coins. So to go up the same price as £7,000, it has to go up £2 on the coin. So the coin would have been worth £3.20 to get the same amount I would on NUCYPHER. So I thought, you know what, I'm putting all my eggs in one basket and sticking with NUCYPHER. I watched a guy who's had Tesla stocks, and he's finally sold his stocks for $3 million. So now he said he put all his eggs in one basket and it worked out for him. And when I think about it, you know what, I might as well do the same. Obviously GRT is still the one for a good investment, but I think I might as well take the profits out now and invest it in the smaller coin that I have more faith in, which is NUCYPHER, and I think it'll go a lot longer. So just wanted to let you know, guys, this was a social experiment just to see if you clicked it, and this is a wake-up call to tell you stop reading into YouTubers' lives and do your own research and make your own money. Stop thinking that there's an easy way to make money, because there's not. And I hope this helps a lot of people. So yeah, like the video, subscribe to the channel, DeMarco Reacts to Crypto, and you'll see me a lot more in the near future. Believe me, I'm going to here to take over and debunk all these big channels. Nice one.